What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a video talking about another awesome linked data types in Excel, and that is the city data type. So for a little bit of background on what linked data types are in Excel, so this is a feature that's new to Microsoft Excel, and it basically makes it to where you can have live data that is very detailed and extremely easy to look up with Wolfram powering the data. And as you can see here, I have a situation where you might be doing market research and we have a series of large cities in the United States, and you want to do basic demographic information. What's male population, female population, age 0 to 4, is it 5 to 17, so on and so forth. Also, household demographic income. And this is really cool because you can not only do this research very quickly and easily, but you have the power of Excel to then go with the data and make awesome graphs and charts and visualizations and whatnot. So first things first is to get this information into the data type. So to do this, we're going to highlight it. So Shift Control down arrow. Then we're going to go right here to data, and then we're going to go to data types. I'm going to click this little icon with like the line of the for more, and then does it if some of the older versions only have stocks in the currencies. All these other Wolfram data types are new to 2021, so please keep that in mind if you don't see this. But here we want to do cities. As you can see, we have city names, and then click that. And this is really important in actually doing the research. It takes a second to load, and as you can see, it finds a city better if you specify the state. As you can see, there are numerous places in this country named Dallas. I'm going to do Dallas, Texas, because I'm going for large cities. Houston, again, nearest place in Houston. So it helps if you specify the state as well. But with that said, San Diego, California. And then, same thing. So I'm going to go to cities right here. I'm going to pause the video and finish this up real quick. Okay, and now I'm back, and as you can see, I just finished it up for these two tables, and as you can tell, it's a linked data type by this little icon to the side right here. And what we want to do is we want to add information related to the cities, which will be populating to the right. So to do this, we're going to want to click on this little icon right here. After clicking that, this is data that we can input. As you can see, you can have administrative regions like Texas, for example, aggregate household income areas, city population, and so much more. You can even pull up a visual map of these cities, nicknames, other people born. So for this, we're going to first pull up the male population. So we're going to scroll down, male population, boom, right like that. Female population, scroll down again to find the female population. And as you can see, there you go, female population highlighted. And then we get the percent female, so equals this over sum of these two numbers. And then boom. As you can see, now we have it in the female population. And as one quick side note, as you can see, I'm typing stuff quickly. If you press the Alt key, you can use keyboard shortcuts. So as you can see, Alt, and you can press Alt key, all these little numbers pop up at the top. And then you can use this to navigate. So like Alt H B, get to the border options. And then now we're going to want to search up the median household income. So we're going to again click here, and then we're going to want to scroll down. It is in alphabetical order, median household income. Boom. And so now we're going to do demographics for age. So again, same thing. Go right here, population 0 to 4. Boom. Click the icon again. Population 5 to 17. Click on this icon again. Population, age 18 to 64. Again, last population 65 and above. And then as you can see, also to click on this again, you can see a lot more. So you can see tons of awesome demographic useful information about the population. So you can see, okay, what population is below the poverty line? What's the rate of crime? What's the total rate of property crime? What's the violent crime rate? What's the local sales tax in these cities? What to get information by race? By educational achievement, associate's degree. So you can see what population has achieved the associate's degree, which does include bachelor's as well. As you can see, so much more. And this is now useful because we can see changes to 65 real quick, but now we can make a little graph. And then, I like to do, so I hide the data, press control. As you can see, this little box pops up, right arrow, press tab to get into this. As you can see here, you can make a bar chart. And here we have some basic analysis on this population, where as you can see right here, New York City has, according to this data source, has a very large portion of their population is between the ages of 18 to 64. A lot of young professionals trying to get into the world of finance in that area. So as you can see, just that quick to get awesome data and then make an extremely useful chart from it. We're 6 minutes into this video, and as you can tell, very, very useful. And then lastly, household population income. So what portion of the population, this is extremely useful, demographic information if you're launching a product. When am I going to launch this product? What area best reaches my target market? So population with households with income 0 to 25, households with income 25 to 50, households with income 50 to 100, households with income 100 to 200,000, households with income 200,000 and above. So just clicking on this right here, it's in alphabetical order, and you can see here we have, and you can just click on these data types and they show up. So Alt HAC to center this because I like things centered. And here you can see, you can again make a very useful graph, using a tab key, and you can get a better idea of how the populations, you can get a better understanding of the portions of the populations and their sizes that make up different financial ranges. So this is extremely useful, and you can even create like a heat map type thing. Or if you wanted to too, you could do a more detailed city, and you can say these are just 5 data points, but you could get like a more detailed city, maybe have a series of 100 mid-sized cities, have them organize a region, and you can do like regional analysis or see like, okay, how does this vary across the country using useful data. So with that said, I really hope that you found this video to be interesting. I sure had fun making it. If you found this to be useful, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. Let me know what you want to see in the future. Also, please let me know what your thoughts are on these linked data types. I think they're cool, but I'd love to get your thoughts on them. Also, please subscribe, and in the description there are some links to free stock. So thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.